Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting signed in. Open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac, then tap your name. Once done, make sure you're on a secure Wi-Fi network and you have your current Apple ID password and any two-factor authentication device nearby. If you plan to change your email, prepare the new address and check its inbox. These steps remove friction and speed the update. You won't be blocked by a missing verification or an outdated OS. Next, you navigate to Name, Phone, Email, and tap Edit beside Reachable at to change the address tied to your Apple ID. Enter the new email or phone, then watch for Apple's verification code and enter it promptly. This proves ownership. If you're changing the password, go to Password and Security, choose a strong passphrase, and confirm. Once saved, make sure your trusted devices show the new address so iCloud and purchases continue uninterrupted. Finally, you sign out and back into iCloud and relevant apps on each device to refresh credentials. This ensures iMessage, FaceTime, and the App Store accept the new ID. Once everything syncs, confirm purchases and iCloud Drive files are accessible. If something goes wrong, try a password reset first or use your recovery key and trusted phone. If you're still blocked, contact Apple support, mention the verification codes you received.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.